Okay, as you can see, we have the regulator, old. Give it a second to focus. Old factory regulator. Says Marshall Brass Company, Marshall, Michigan, model 260, two-stage LP regulator. Alright, here's what we got. I picked it up at Camping World. If you get a Good Sam membership, you get like 20% off of everything. We bought a little porta-john for the bus, a booklet with probably half the campgrounds in the United States that are Good Sam affiliated. We're saving a bundle already. Okay, I just tested my on-off valve to ensure that it wasn't leaking, it was functioning properly. It smelled like gas, nobody smoked around me. Now we are about to put on this new regulator. If you pay attention to it, it's got arrows on it, and that's the direction in which you want your gas to flow. Also, it's pretty much idiot-proof. You can't fit that into the wrong end. So thank you. Alright, you should be able to see. I hope so. It's not worth an iPhone for you not to be able to see, and this to be a waste of time. Check. Alright, you should get the gist of what's going on. Alright, you're gonna need this Teflon paste. Forgive me if you didn't get that. And a wire brush. It's coming. I'm about to put it on. I got that little camera videoing it and not me. Alright. Fit. Sweet. This is just a dry fit. See if we have to bend anything. I still have to get the skid plate back underneath here. This went in like so, where this one is now sitting. So we're going to try. Looks like everything leads back up the way it ought to. But just in case, we're going to do this dry fit anyhow. Hate to be back up underneath here. There's white stuff all over me. I'm trying to redo this because I wasn't intended in the first place. And this is the smallest regulator I could find. Most of them were about 1 inch to 3 inches longer than the factory. And it's no fun because nobody wants to bend copper lines if not necessary. So it looks like, let me get you in here for this view. If done properly, it should line up exactly like that with the new regulator. Of course, Teflon at every joint. And we'll give this a little extra wire brushing. I'll get back to you when it's done.